Hello creative friend, it's January 1st, 2020 and I wish you a very, 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 very creative best for the new year. So to kick this new year off, I have another one of my loose organic pages from my junk journal and another journey that sort of twists and turns and is going to take you one way, then take you another way, and we'll end up with something somewhere completely different to what we expected. Yeah, I'm feeling a little whimsical today, can you tell? Now, I worked on this piece and last week's piece in the same art session, and both pieces went off in their own little directions, and they're very different from each other, I think, even though I've used some of the same colours, but not completely. And some of the techniques are similar too, but yeah, two very different pieces. And this one has elements of order and elements of chaos, which I hope you enjoy watching to maybe kick off some ideas that you can try out for this new year. So what does 2020 have in store for you creatively? I really hope that amongst all the change and the twists and turns that life gives us, that you are also able to find lots of ways to express your creativity and kindness this year. So, tell me, do you have any art plans or new art focuses or even old art focuses that you want to really sort of get going this year? Let me know in the comments because I really would love to hear. Are you signed up for Lifebook 2020 yet? Those of you signed up to Lifebook 2020, yay, first day! I kind of feel that I need a school bell or something to ring. So I'm looking forward to being with you for part of this year on the Lifebook course. And this is the first time that I've been involved in something like this, and I actually finished my first class video, so that's going to be my bonus class, and I finished that just before Christmas, and it will be up and ready for you to watch in early March, so you can see how far ahead I've kind of been planning and working to. But I'm pretty excited to see what work you come up with for it, because well, actually, it's an exercise that I love doing, but I don't do it as often as I want to. So it was really fun to have an excuse to play, and I plan to actually follow my own class and do some more art to it too. I mean, I've got an advantage because I know what's in it. So I've already got some ideas of things that I want to do with it. But yeah, I'm sorry, you'll have to wait until March. But if you are signed up, you can go and have a look at the whole timetable. Have you done that already? So the timetable for the whole year is up on the Lifebook 2020 website. So you can see what all the teachers are going to be presenting. And it looks like a really exciting and creative year ahead, so I'm really looking forward to that. Of course, if you haven't signed up to it yet, then there's still time. You can still sign up and the links are in the description. I think also, even if you haven't signed up, you can have a look at the full timetable too. So that's on the Lifebook 2020 front page, the sales page. So you can see that and see if Lifebook is for you or not. And I've got some other things coming up this year that I'm working on at the moment. Some that are in very early stages yet, so I can't say, but I will be talking about them more as we go along, I'm sure. But I would love to hear what you're up to this year creatively, so do give me a shout. So you saw I combined a few different things in this piece today. It has some of the mark making I've been doing recently in it, and then there's the more sort of freestyle, smushy's a good word, isn't it? Smushy mark making that I've been doing more recently. There's some washi tape here, washi tape collage. There's doodling with different pens. I used paint pens, I used ballpoint pens as well. And I started the whole thing off by dividing it into areas with a pencil, a white pencil, and then just using paint. So there's all sorts of different things going on. Oh, and there's some paint carving in there as well. And then of course all the different colours and how they work together. So I think I covered a fair few different things. So hopefully you've got loads and loads of ideas popping up in your head at the moment. And I love the way that the red paint works with the pastel colours. Gives a nice sharp contrast, doesn't it? I also like the texture in that red line from the actual brushstroke and how it works over the washi tape surface, because it doesn't completely adhere to it, particularly if there's more water in the paint. It tends to bead up on a washi tape surface, but that's left a really interesting look to that brushstroke. I don't know, it's those little things like that that I really love. I know, I'm a texture fanatic. Anyway, I hope this has inspired you to go and do some art of your own. Or if you're still looking for some more ideas, then of course I've got some videos for you to watch next. Have fun creating!